Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to fix mouse stuck in the middle of screen in Windows 11. Now the first thing I want you to do is go ahead and make sure you don't have a light like this on your keypad. If you do, I just want you to go ahead and double tap on it so the light actually turns off. That is actually your mouse lock. Now what you could also do is on your PC, I want you to go ahead and hold down these keys. Hold down Control, hold down Shift at the same time, Windows plus B. If you do that, you'll see your page on your screen should refresh immediately, and there should be some beep sound. What that does is it goes ahead and refreshes and restarts the graphics drivers on your PC. So you could do that. You could also look for some function keys on your keyboard. For example, F6. Now it depends on the laptop as well. So you go ahead and fix that. You can turn that on and off. What you could also do is unplug and replug the mouse if you have an external one. Or you could force restart your computer as well just by holding the power button, or update the mouse drivers. That is all you have to do. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.